In this tutorial, we are going to cover a very important concept in Python called easier to ask forgiveness than permission, or EAFP for short. This is a coding style which is commonly used in Python where you assume the existence of valid keys or files and catch exceptions if the assumption proves false. It is a fundamental Python programming concept that helps to write cleaner and more efficient code. Now let's go over the code. First, we're defining a function called read_file. It takes one parameter, file_name. This function tries to open a file with the given name and print its content. If the file does not exist, it will raise a file not found error. This is where EAFP comes in. Instead of checking if the file exists before trying to open it, we just try to open it and handle the exception if it occurs. Now, we are calling the function and passing the name of the file we want to read. If example.txt exists in the same directory as this script, the content of the file will be printed. If not, the file does not exist will be printed. Since example.txt does not exist, our function caught the file not found error and printed the file does not exist. This is a clear demonstration of the EAFP principle. Instead of asking if the file exists and then opening it, which would be two operations, we just tried to open the file and handled the exception that was thrown when the file was not found. It's a more concise and Pythonic way to handle such situations. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you now understand what EAFP means and how to use it in Python. Remember, it's always easier to ask forgiveness than permission. Happy coding everyone.